Hey Chloe, thank you for coming with me. I really need new jeans. My old ones are very old and have holes.
You are welcome, James. I love shopping. This store is huge. Look at all these clothes. Where are the men's jeans?
I think they are over there, behind the jackets. Let's go see. I hope they have my size.
Okay, lead the way. What kind of jeans do you want? Do you want blue jeans or black jeans?
I usually wear blue jeans, but maybe I should try black jeans today. What do you think is better for me?
I think blue is classic, but black looks very stylish. Why not try both? We have time.
That is a good idea. I see the jeans now. Look at this shelf. There are so many options.
Yes, there are. Look at this one. It is a dark blue color. Touch the fabric. It feels very soft.
Oh yes, it is soft. But look at the price. It is $80. That is too expensive for me. I need something cheaper.
$80 is a lot. Okay, let's look at the shelf below. These are on sale. Look at the red tag. It says $40.
$40 is perfect. I like this color too. It is lighter blue, but I do not know my size.
What size are your old jeans? Usually the size is on the label inside the back.
I think my size is 32, or maybe 34. I gained a little weight recently. I ate too much pizza last month.
Do not worry. Let's take a size 32 and a size 34. You can try them in the fitting room.
Okay, I will take this blue pair in 32. Can you help me find the 34?
Here it is. Wait, James, look at the cut. This says skinny jeans. Do you like skinny jeans?
Oh no, I do not like skinny jeans. They are too tight on my legs. I like regular fit or relaxed fit.
Good catch. Skinny jeans are very tight. Let me look for regular fit. Okay, here, this pile is regular fit.
Great. So I need blue, regular fit, size 32 and 34. Let me grab them.
Do you want to try the black ones too? Remember we talked about them?
Yes, you're right. Let's find black ones in regular fit. Can you see them?
I see them on the left, but they only have size 34 here. There is no 32.
That is okay. I will try the 34 black jeans. If they are too big, I can wear a belt.
Okay, so you have 3 pairs of jeans, 2 blue and 1 black. The fitting rooms are in the back corner.
I'm a little nervous. I hate trying on clothes. It is hot and tiring.
It will be quick. I will wait for you right here outside the door. Go ahead.
Okay, I'm going in. Wait for me.
Take your time, James. Make sure they are comfortable.
Okay, I'm trying the blue ones first, size 32.
How are they? Do they fit?
Ugh, no, they are too small. I cannot close the button. It is impossible.
Don't force it. Try the next size. Try the 34.
Okay, taking off the small ones. Now putting on the size 34 blue jeans. These feel much better.
Come out and show me. I want to see the length.
Okay, coming out. Look, what do you think?
Wow, those look great, James. The color matches your t-shirt. Turn around, please.
Like this? Does it look okay from the back?
Yes, perfect fit. Not too tight and not too loose. And the length is good. It touches your shoes perfectly.
They feel very comfortable. I can move my legs easily. I can even sit down, see?
That is important. Now try the black ones. Go back inside.
Okay, going back in, changing into the black jeans, size 34.
I think black will look more formal. You can wear them to work.
Okay, I have them on, but there is a problem.
What is the problem?
The waist fits, but the legs are very long. They are too long. I'm stepping on the fabric.
Come out, let me see. Oh yes, those are very long. Maybe it is a long size. Look at the tag again.
The tag says 34L. What does L mean?
L means long. You need 34R for regular or 34S for short. These are for very tall people.
Oh, I see. I did not check the letter. That is my mistake. Well, I cannot buy these.
Do you want me to look for the right length?
No, that is okay. I really like the blue ones. I think I will just buy the blue pair today. One pair is enough.
Are you sure? The blue ones were $40, right?
Yes, that is a good price. I'm happy with that.
Okay then, change back into your shorts and let's go to the cashier.
Okay, give me 1 minute.
While you change, I will look at these scarves. Oh, this is pretty.
I'm ready. I have the blue jeans in my hand. Did you find something for yourself?
I like this scarf, but I do not need it. I'm saving money for a holiday. Let's just pay for your jeans.
You are very disciplined, Chloe. Let's go. The cashier is near the exit.
Look, the line is short. We're lucky. Sometimes on Saturdays, the line is very long.
Hello, I would like to buy these jeans, please.
James, ask about the return policy, just in case.
Oh, good idea. Excuse me, if these do not fit, can I return them?
The sign says you have 30 days.
That is great. Here is my card. Thank you.
You did it. You have new jeans. Now you can throw away the old ones with holes.
Yes, thank you for your help, Chloe. Shopping is easier with a friend. Do you want to get a coffee now?
Coffee sounds perfect. Let's go.